Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Nintendo Neon Purple and Neon Orange Joy-Con, left and right. It's possible to dock that awesome Joy-Cons on the left and on the right side of your Switch. OLED or of the Switch from 2019 and your old school Switch too. Two Joy-Con can be used independently in each hand or together as a game controller when attached to the Joy-Con grip. They can also attach to the main console for use in handheld mode or be shared with friends to enjoy two-player action in supported games. Each Joy-Con has a full set of buttons and can act as a standalone controller, and each includes an accelerometer and a gyro-sensor, making independent left and right motion control possible. This is the Joy-Con. The Joy-Con's controls gives us totally gameplay flexibility. We choose our control style, one controller or two, vertical or sideways. We attach to the console or separate. We can play multiple ways depending on the game. We can share them with our friends. Pass a single Joy-Con to a friend for instant two-player fun, for example. Or we can try something new. HD Rumble puts us in the game with physical feedback, while the IR motion camera opens up new experience like Nintendo Labo. And, of course, you can use it not only onto the Switch model OLED, Switch model from 2019 or the original Switch version. No, you can dock it to your Nintendo Switch Lite, but not onto the console, of course, but wireless. These controllers make new kinds of gaming possible. For use with the Nintendo Switch system, the versatile Joy-Con offer multiple surprising new ways for players to have fun. Two Joy-Con can be used independently in each hand or together as a game controller while attached to the Joy-Con grip. They can also attach to the main console for use in handheld mode. You have three modes possible with the Switch: the television mode, the handheld mode, and of course the table mode. And in all these modes you can use that awesome painted Joy-Con pair, neon purple and neon orange. These nice colors I like very much because they are not so random. They are special. It's no problem to attach them to the console. Only slide them into it. Job's done. After this, it will pair automatically to your Switch. Okay, and then they are paired. Of course, you can do the manual way by using the setup in your Switch too. But it's the easiest way to connect them into or with your Switch console. Easy as going. These are the awesome and really looking good Nintendo Neon Purple and Neon Orange Joy-Con, left and right. The left side and the right side of our new looker for our Nintendo Switch console. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.